Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join YouTube channel membership on your mobile device. So let's get started. So over here the first step is to go to your browser. So follow the steps in the video. Okay, so go to your browser. Alright, so over here type in youtube.com. Alright, so over here I'm going to resize this so I can read this properly. Okay, so now over here just search for your YouTube channel. Alright, so here you can see the option for join. So all you have to do is click over there, and there you go. That is how you can join YouTube channel membership. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.